Hi everyone, welcome to today's learning. In the previous video, we have learned about one of the statistical measure that is skewness. If you haven't watched the video, please watch the video. Video link is in the description. Today we are going to talk about another statistical measure, which is kurtosis, which is required for data preprocessing in machine learning. So, what is kurtosis and what are the types of kurtosis and how to measure and how to handle? We'll see in this video. Kurtosis is about peakness or tails of the distribution. Basically, it is the measure of outliers present in the distribution. The tails are present how often the outliers occur. So, it is a measure the tailness of a distribution indicating whether it has more or less outliers than a normal distribution. So, positive kurtosis indicates a distribution with more outliers, while negative kurtosis indicates a distribution with fewer outliers. If there are no outliers, then it will become a normal distribution. So, mainly, there are three types of kurtosis: mesocortic, leptocortic, and platycortic. So, in mesocortic distribution, the distribution has similar to that of normal distribution, which means the extreme values are similar to normal distribution characteristics. For standard normal distribution, the value of kurtosis will be 3. The next one, the leptocortic. In this type, the distribution is longer and tails are fatter. The peak is higher than the mesocortic, which means the data contains more number of outliers. So when we calculate kurtosis value, it will be more than 3. The last one, platycortic. In this type, the distribution is shorter and tails are thinner. The peak is lower than the mesocortic, which means data having lack of outliers, which means the extreme values are less than the normal distribution. So the value of kurtosis is less than 3 for platycortic. So from the diagram, we can see the distributions for negative kurtosis, which is less than normal distribution, which is platycortic, and for positive kurtosis, which is leptocortic, which is having more than the normal distribution, which is mesocortic. Then how to measure the kurtosis? Kurtosis can be calculated by dividing moments by the standard deviation increased to the proper power, and the moments are standardized. Moments are nothing but a collection of metrics that provide information on a distribution shape. So, then how to handle the kurtosis in machine learning? As we told in the previous video, for skewness, we have used log transform, square root transform, and box transform. Similar to that, for kurtosis also can be handled using these three particular transforms. So that's all for today, guys. In the video.